Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is episode 3 of the 865 project. So just a quick review of what I've done to the stock engine so far. And for those who haven't watched the first 2 episodes, check them out for more details and don't forget to subscribe and like. So how is this bike different from the stock 650? It has the SNS 865 big bore kit, the SNS Performance camshaft, the Recluse clutch and the Power Commander 5 from Dyno to manage the fueling. I did the whole thing myself with the help of a couple of friends in a few crucial moments, and I enjoyed this part as much as I'm enjoying riding the 865. So let's take a ride. So the first few times I rode the bike after the conversion was done. Wow, it's kind of windy today, yeah? Anyway, I hope it's not affecting too much my voice recording. Anyway, the first few times I rode the bike after the conversion was done, I wasn't really able to notice a huge difference, and I was kind of, skeptical, because during the break-in procedure I wasn't able to rev the engine too high, but when I opened the throttle a bit more abruptly, shall I say, then I could immediately feel that something serious was going on beneath the tank. For the break-in procedure I used the map that came with a Power Commander from Hitchcock's, which really worked fine, except for a couple of flat spots around 5,000 RPM. But anyway, it did a very good job until I was done with the break-in procedure, and then I took the bike to the dyno. Well, another thing that I immediately noticed after the 865 conversion was that this very nice smoothness that the stock 650 engine has was not there anymore. I mean, it's nothing crazy, just we now have a bit of vibration in a couple of rev bands. Around the one is around the idling RPM, and the other one is at 3,000 to 3,200, but nothing really, annoying or serious, but it is noticeable. Also, above 5,500 we get a bit of vibration again until the rev limiter, which is anyway, I think all of this new vibration is kind of normal because of the weight difference of the pistons. I mean, the SNS pistons are quite heavier than the stock ones, And I'm preparing a short video showing this difference. So when the break-in procedure was completed and I could hit the rev limiter, that's when I realized that I had to deal with a very different animal. Still fine tuning was needed for the fueling, so I took the bike to the dyno so we can adjust the fueling specifically for this setup and this bike. From around 42 horsepower, which the stock engine was giving us, now we have 58 horsepower, and from roughly 50 Newton meters of torque, now we have an impressive 73 Newton meters. And the great thing about that is that you can feel the torque throughout the RPM range. The truth is that now the bike invites you to ride a bit more aggressively, and that brings me to the question if any other performance upgrades are needed because of this conversion, because the bike has more power now. A lot of people complaining about the brakes, and yes, the brakes are not of the kind that throw you off the bike if you hit them hard enough, but I think they're doing the job quite well, even for the 865. And of course it depends a lot on how you use them and how you ride. But having said that, I wouldn't mind a bit more bite. So that's why I'm planning to upgrade the front brake pads first, and we'll see how it goes. But the one thing that sure needs an upgrade to complete the new character of the bike is the suspension, for sure, because now, to me at least, the suspension feels a lot more basic, and I believe that with a suspension upgrade, the brake feel will be improved as well. So I'm extremely happy with the 865 so far. I'm really glad I made it work. The bike is great fun to ride, and I'm enjoying every moment. I hope you enjoyed this ride too. Thanks very much for watching. Enjoy your bikes and ride safe. See you next time.